Hello everyone, this is Konkan and welcome back to Style Travel and More. So hope you all are doing good and I am back with another brand new video and this time I'll be reviewing this magic mirror kit from Colorbar. So before I start talking about this product, I just wanted to tell you that I bought this magic mirror kit more than a year ago. So I used it many times immediately I bought it. However, eventually I forgot about this. And so I'm not able to comment if there is any current changes in the product. However, I hope not, because recently I saw an ad about this product and that's the point even when I remember that I have this product and I thought reviewing it. So with this note, let's start the process. So generally in my videos, I talk more about my insight about the product. However, for this video, I'll tell you how to use this product as well because the usage can be a bit tricky. Why it is tricky, I'll talk about that on later part of my video. However, in next few short, I'll give you a close overview of the product and also show you how to use it. So this is how the Colorbar Magic Mirror Kit looks, and let me show you what all product are there inside. So this is a magic mirror powder. This is magic mirror top coat, and these are two applicators. So I'll show you how to use this product. For that I have taken different variant of nail polishes so that you understand that the final finish look slightly differs with the nail polish I'm using. So the nail polish needs to be dried adequately before I use this magic mirror kit. So let me dry my nail polish first and then I'll show you how to use this. So if you're wondering what is this product, so this is a nail dryer from Miniso. I have already reviewed it in my website, so you can go ahead and read the review. So I think my nail polish has dried adequately. Let me start using this magic mirror kit. So I'm taking this magic mirror powder and this is the applicator. So require very little amount, so you need to be a bit careful. So I'm just dabbing it all over my nails and then pressing it. Hope you can see the transformation. Don't worry about the excess glitters because it can easily be washed off with water. So I hope you can see how the look is coming up. So as I told you earlier, I have used different shades of polish and varieties as well. So this is more of pinkish and these are more of silverish. So I hope you can see that and it's getting captured properly in the camera. So to finish the look or seal the look, I need to use this magic mirror top coat. So I'll be using this. So my personal favorite is the uh, pink one actually. So I'll be preparing all of my nails with this color and show it to you in the later shot. So I have painted my nails fresh with this pink, and I'll be using the magic mirror kit and show it to you how the finished look is coming up. So as you can see, this hand I have prepared with the magic mirror kit, and this hand I'm yet to prepare. So I just wanted to show you the difference between these two. So yes, this is the final look. I hope this is getting captured correctly in the camera. And in next few shots, I'll give you my insight about this product. So I've told you that the usage can be a bit tricky because for me it took a little time to get hang of this product for two major factors. First of all, the nail polish needs to be adequately dried. If it's too dried, the magic mirror powder won't set on the top of the nail polish. However, if it's less dried, it will get smudged. Also, I took little time to understand how much pressure I need to put while pressing the magic mirror powder on top of my nail polish with the applicator, so that it glides properly without leaving any impression of the applicator. So what I like about this magic mirror kit is that it makes my nail vibrant and shiny immediately, and also it requires very less amount of magic mirror powder to create the entire look. So as you have seen earlier that the final finished look varies according to the shade and type of nail polish I'm using. So I try to avoid nail polish which has any material added like glitter added with it, because I feel that the magic mirror powder will not set properly if the base is not smooth. The finished look stays almost around 10 to 12 hours provided I'm not washing my nails frequently and not rubbing them against towel, etc. So one quick suggestion I have about the usage of this product before I end this video. As I have told you earlier that the final finished look varies according to the nail polish we are using. So if you are using any nail polish for the first time with this product and you are not sure how the final look will turn out, try to create the entire look on one nail first before going for the other nail, and when you're fine with it, go for the other nail so that your time is saved. So that was my review about this Colorbar Magic Mirror Kit. You can read more about this product in my website styletravelandmore.com. Website link is given in the description section. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.